In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Notion templates in 2025 with zero budget. We'll delve into each step in detail to ensure you've got all the tools you need for a successful sale. First, we'll navigate to the Notion website. Notion is a fantastic tool that allows you to create sophisticated and attractive templates, which are in high demand. Once you've reached the site, click on the Get Notion Free button. This allows you to create a Notion account without any initial investment, which is perfect for those starting on a budget. After that, continue with Google to sign up, a quick and straightforward method that synchronizes your account seamlessly. After you've logged in, it's time to select the template you wish to sell. Notion offers a range of customizable templates, so pick one that resonates with you or meets your potential buyer's needs. Once you've chosen a template, click on the Share button. This will enable you to make your template accessible to others. Next, press the Publish button. Just a heads up, you'll need to click Publish twice to finalize your decision. This step ensures your template is live and ready for potential buyers to see. Now don't forget to make sure that your template is marked as duplicable. This is crucial because it allows buyers to duplicate the template into their accounts once they've made a purchase. After ensuring everything is in order, copy the link to your published template. This link will be integral for marketing and making sales. The next stop is Canva. Canva is a powerful tool for creating stunning visuals that can entice buyers. So head over to the Canva website and search for Get Your Template Now. Choosing a striking design is key, so take your time to find a template that stands out. Once you've found your desired design, click Customize this template to begin editing. Look for the button, then click on it, followed by clicking on the three dots. This will open up further customization options. Click on Link and prepare to add the link to your published Notion template. Paste the link here carefully and then click Done to confirm the addition. With your link securely embedded, it's time to update any text within your Canva design to match your Notion template's branding and colors. Consistency is key, and it also helps potential buyers easily connect with your brand. Finally, you're ready to post your completed Canva design on platforms like Gumroad or Shopify. These provide excellent marketplaces for selling digital goods efficiently and effectively. And there you have it. Follow these steps meticulously, and you'll be well on your way to successfully selling Notion templates without spending a dime upfront. Happy selling!